Elon Musk's XAI just dropped Grok build, a coding agent aiming to shake up the pro dev scene and take on Anthropic's Claude. Only Super Grok heavy subscribers get early access, and XAI is teaming up with Cursor to boost its coding power. This move marks XAI's bold push to catch up in the AI coding race, right as SpaceX eyes its historic IPO. Claude is now writing over 90% of Anthropic's code, flipping the script on what it means to work in tech. Anthropic's CFO says AI tools like Claude Code have slashed reporting times and shifted employees into supervisor roles. With quotas for Claude Code bumped up by 50% until July 2026, the company is betting big on AI-driven productivity. Notion just dropped a game changer. Now you can build custom AI agents that automate multi-step workflows and sync data from any database. With the new Workers platform, teams deploy code in a secure sandbox, connect external tools, and even chat with partner AI agents like Claude Code and Codex. This shift turns Notion from a note app into a full-on collaboration hub, letting businesses ditch copy-paste chaos and boost productivity. Microsoft is pulling the plug on most Claude Code licenses by the end of June, shifting its devs to GitHub Copilot CLI to cut costs and boost its own tech. This move impacts thousands of employees, especially in the Experiences Plus Devices team, as Microsoft aims to focus resources on Copilot CLI integration and internal workflows. Anthropic models will still be available via Copilot CLI, but the pressure is on GitHub to close the feature gap and keep engineers on board. Anthropic is shaking up billing for AI agents. Starting June 15th, programmatic usage gets its own monthly credit pool. Paid users now have separate credits for Agent SDK and interactive chats, making cost control way more predictable. But if you max out, extra usage goes pay as you go, and unused credits expire each month. Watch out, devs. No more sharing or rolling over those credits. OpenAI is gearing up to take legal action against Apple after their Siri integration deal turned sour. The AI giant claims Apple failed to deliver on deeper chat GPT integration and proper promotion, leading to lost revenue and a strained partnership. If this escalates, it could shake up the future of AI assistance on mobile platforms. Forget what you thought about AI agents running out of memory. Tencent Cloud just dropped agent memory, cutting token consumption by up to 61%. By compressing short-term memory and boosting long-term personalized recall, this open-source tech lets agents handle long tasks smoother and more efficiently. That means less wasted resources and higher success rates for complex, continuous operations. TikTok just dropped a bomb in the ad world by letting third-party AI agents directly run campaigns through its new MCP server. Now AI tools can plan, launch, and optimize ads on TikTok without human hands, automating everything from budgets to targeting. This puts TikTok in direct competition with Meta, Google, and Amazon, making ad automation the new battleground. Meta is testing a new AI search feature on Threads, letting users tag at meta.ai for instant info, just like Grok on X. The beta is live in Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, Mexico, Argentina, and Singapore, aiming to expand AI across Meta's platforms. Unlike Grok, Meta claims tighter controls, but public AI replies could still spark controversy as the rollout grows. Agentic AI is about to flip the script on how apps work inside Apple's walled garden. Apple is working with developers to bring AI agents into the App Store, promising smarter, autonomous features while keeping privacy and security tight. If Apple nails this, it could kick off a whole new era for iOS apps and the smartphone market. Developers relying on Claude's Agent SDK just got hit with a big change. Programmatic usage now draws from a separate credit pool, not your main subscription. Each plan gets a fixed monthly credit, and once it's gone, you pay full API rates. This move means less subsidized access for third-party tools, forcing devs to rethink costs and usage strategies. Major AI upgrades are shaking up the tech scene. Qwen 2.0's image model and Opus 4.7's fast mode just dropped, while serverless GPUs are making high-power compute way more accessible. These launches mean faster, smarter AI tools, and a new era where anyone can tap into serious GPU muscle without the old-school hardware grind. The AI arms race is on, and the pace isn't slowing down anytime soon.